Hello, friends. Today I have a way to do pure gold bars 24K from gold scrap. Sometimes you may want to make some extra money by refining your own gold at home, or you may be a jeweler who wants to refine gold in-house. There are multiple ways to refine gold on a small scale as long as you take appropriate safety measures. This article will teach you to refine gold using the aqua regia method. Start by reducing the size of gold to smaller. Melt gold. Pour gold while melting through a 2 mm sieve into the water. Reducing the size of gold to smaller will help in the process of aqua regia to make gold into the solution more quickly. Aqua regia is composed of 2 chemical substances, 1 nitric acid, 3 hydrochloric acid mixed together. Ratio between gold alloy and acid. Aqua regia gold alloy 50 grams. Using acid aqua regia 200 milliliters. From my experiment, when gold alloy was made into a solution at a temperature of 90 Celsius to reach saturation point, fit should neutralize easy to make gold precipitation. Operational safety. Wear the protective clothing. Could include gloves, protective eyewear, a mask, a long-sleeved shirt and long pants. Take precautions to avoid exposure by the principal routes, that is, contact with skin and eyes, inhalation, and ingestion. Proper ventilation is required. This precipitant has a very strong, pungent, acid odor and is corrosive. Use sodium metabisulfite precipitate gold out of an aqua regia solution. You will get gold sludge powder. Looks like mud. Sodium metabisulfite, also known as sodium bisulfite, is an affordable and effective selective precipitant for gold. This chemical can recover up to 99.95% of pure gold. When the precipitated gold is thoroughly rinsed, it works well even at room temperature. I will show you the strange change of gold mud. Use sodium mixed with water slowly added to the gold solution. You will see the formation of gold mud. Precipitated gold particles vary in size, but tend to be small and float easily in the rinse water. For this reason, special care must be taken to avoid accidentally pouring off gold with the rinse water. Use hot water to clean the sludge powder. Looks like mud. Boil gold mud and hydrochloric acid 90 Celsius 10 minutes. Use hot water to clean the sludge powder. Looks like mud 3 times. You will get gold sludge powder. Make dry. Use low heat to avoid splashes. Melt it into cubes. Sprinkle a little borax powder. I will make a pure gold bar for beauty. I get a beautiful pure gold bar, weighing 46 grams. I hope you like our videos. Please apply for membership and share our videos to cheer. Thank you very much.